Good morning everyone. I am Ankita Gupta. I am Transport Planner in Jabalpur City Transport Services Limited. Our,
I am Sachin Vishwakarma, CEO Jabalpur City Transport Services Limited.
our project is on a multi-purpose RFID based mobility card for city of Jabalpur. So as we know, Jabalpur is the third urban agglomeration of the Madhya Pradesh, and it is country's 26th largest urban agglomeration. Its population is about 12 lakhs, and it is one of the 20 cities selected in initially smart city challenges. So J card, it has been recommended a project as a plastic city for the plastic money for city of Jabalpur. So the main vision of the project was to reduce the cash handling in the city.
These things you can move fast. Let's
Okay.
quickly come to your project.
So it is a secure card. Next, our main focus is on the public transportation. So it would act as a card for automatically collecting the fare in the buses. We have right now 119 buses in the cities. So present fare collection system consists of electronic ticketing machine and PVC passes, which we want to replace by the RFID based mobility card. So need of the project was basically because of the certain drawbacks of the present ticketing collecting system. So the main steps in the execution for the J card was, first of all, we floated the request for proposal. These are the steps we have already accomplished. Next was the bidding process, and final was the workout order. So we just have completed these three stages, and now I'm describing the public-private partnership structure of the card. The public sector consists of the Jabalpur Municipal Corporation and JCTSL, that is Jabalpur City Transport Services Limited. JMC would act as principal facilitator, co-branding partner, and advocacy for the citizen in support of cards for various payment, tax payment, water charges. Next is JCTSL, which is the principal user in the city buses. It will provide 10% discount to the customer to encourage the use of cashless payment in the via J card. Next is JCTSL will take the financial responsibility for damage of AFC installations due to any act of God or staff or employees, and ensure all the passes are on J cards only. Next, our private entity is with, we have three companies as private entity. First is the lead bidder, who is Simpal. Next is AFC partner, who is NEC. Third is the bank. The AFC partner, it will manage a technology service provider, and it will give the end-to-end cloud-based implementation, operation and maintenance of prepaid semi-closed payment instrument in ecosystem. Next is the lead bidder, who is Simpal. It will act as merchant aggregator, manage non-financial uses of the card, invest in front-end ecosystem, distribution and marketing, service outlets. So in this way, the bank is the principal issuer for financial value. It will settle the funds as T+1, facilitate the KYC, and would act as payment gateway service. In this way, we have our public-private partnership, and this whole partnership is user fee based, built operate transfer system.
Keep your mobile switched off or keep them away from the mics.
And the services which the public of the Jabalpur is going to enjoy with this partnership are automatic fare collection system in public transportation, paying for parking lots, entries in gardens and parks, municipal taxes, payment for public utilities, and bill payments in retail shops. So now we'll focus on automatic fare collection system only. So as AFC, actually sir, we have already implemented the project.
Yep.
It is an ongoing project. We have implemented it in ISBT, Interstate Bus Terminal. We are right now collecting the parking payment via the J card, and we have already, the total number of cards which has been issued so far are 750, and today on an average we have 250 transaction every day. Now as you will go through the graph, we can see that since it was implemented in ISBT in September, the average number of users from September to October has increased. Although the daily number of transaction varies a lot, but still it is quite acceptable. Next, the outcome is the convenient and secure parking system for operators and public, and beneficial for authority and public. Apart from that, we have also implemented it in city bus. We have implemented on one route as a pilot project right now. So 100 cards have been issued in that particular route, but the average number of daily users are only 12. The main reason is that we have just implemented in one route, so the acceptability of the users in the buses has not come right now. And right now we are functioning to convert all our passes into the J card. That is, right now we are doing that. The function is going on, and soon within 10 days our passes would be all our passes would be converted into J cards. We have updated all our 18 routes on air, and we have already given updated all the system of passes in the back ends. Now it is just that we are going to launch the passes, so we don't have the documentation here available, but soon all the passes would be converted into cards. So we have implemented it in ISBT and in one route, and now we are working on passes, and by the end of December 2016, means we are expecting the J card would be launched as automatic fare collection system by January 2017 in all the buses in the city of Jabalpur. And as well as we are expecting it to the number of users in ISBT to be increased from 250 to at least 750 daily users. So
Next 1 year planning, we have planning to 5,000 merchant in the city who use the shopping centers and also general provision, and also common mobility card. We are planning to introduce the application based auto and taxis collected by the J card system, and we are recently launched J Connect service, airport services. So next 1 year the J card, all the payment in the buses through the collect by the J card.
So if we talk about the investment in returns, so all the investments has been made by the lead bidder, which is on validating devices, NFC ETM, NFC retail counter, card parking system. The estimated investment was of 4.4 crore, and so now they have made the investment of 15 lakhs. The investment to implement the project in ISBT and only in 6 number of buses, that is on one route, is 5 lakhs. And apart from that, the investment in marketing side has been made, and for that the investment made so far is 20,000. And since the PPP system is OPEX, the JCTSL, JMC or any government agency, neither from state nor from central, has to invest anything on the project. It is whole, the customer will going to pay with a nominal fee which is 10 rupees per month plus applicable taxes, and with this customer fee the investor are going to make their returns. So if we look at the cost effectiveness of the project, for the user, the commuters will gain.
Bank.
Yes sir?
Use the bank.
Axis Bank, yes. The commuters will gain 10% discount on the tickets. Bus operator, there would be reduction in leakages. For merchant, there is no transaction charges. For facilitators,
Right. Can you come to the point?